Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1967 Chevrolet Camaro convertible. It is an RSSS tribute, not a real car, guys. It is a clone. It is a 4-year-old body-up restoration. You can see it's finished in Tuxedo black. It's got the black deluxe interior in it. Super cool car, man. Runs out strong. Thumping big block underneath the hood. It is slick. It's got a set of 18 and 20-inch Billet Specialties all the way around it. It's got a new Haartz top with the glass rear window. I've ordered the boot for it. We didn't get it with a boot, so that's on the way. Nitto rubber all the way around it. It's got the cowl hood on it, front and rear spoilers. Brand new Detroit Speed front hideaway headlight kit. Man, this car's got eyes. This car just looks good. It is a 4-year-old body-up restoration, except for, like I say, they just did the front headlights. That stuff's all brand spanking new from Detroit Speed. Chrome and stainless is nice on the car. Car's out of the Atlanta area, so good, solid, straight Georgia body. Bucket seats, tilt. Again, you can see it's got the Haartz top, and then it's got the glass rear window in it. It's a manual top. Slick paint on it. It's got the new taillight bezels. Nice and straight down the sides. They've lowered it down a little bit. It's got a good look to it. Again, ZR rated Nitto rubber all the way around it. 18 and 20-inch Billet Specialty wheels. Front disc brakes. Car looks good. Cammed up, big block 454 underneath the hood. A little bit. Car looks good, man. It's got a polished aluminum intake in it. It's got a Holley dual feed 4-barrel. Finned aluminum valve covers. Nice set of Hedman headers. Be Cool aluminum radiator with an aftermarket shroud, power steering. It's manual front disc brakes, HEI distributor. It's got a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. Steel cowl hood. Looks like detailed up real nice, HEI distributor. It's got a good sound to it. Paint slick. Couple little stone pecks I seen. Isn't that pretty nice? I mean, paint slick on the car. I believe you said they just replaced all this stuff too around the windshield. New front windshield. Yeah, that's right. New front windshield. They just replaced all this stuff. Chrome mirror. A-pillar chrome looks good. New door handles. New door rubbers. So it's got new door pads on it, new carpet, new sill plates. Oh, I've ordered the little, what do you call it, caps for the doors too. Both sides are missing. Bucket seats, got a chrome tilt column in it with the Hurst shifter. Again, it is a manual top. It's got the padded dash. Showing 95,000. They said they figured about 3,000 miles on the resto. Kenwood radio. It's got Sun Pro gauges. You can see it's got the speakers and the kick pads. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It is a 10 bolt 373 limited slip rear end. Got the shakers in the trunk and stuff. It's all spackle coated. There's clean underneath. Good looking car. And man, you gotta love those hideaway headlights, man. I love the hideaways in these cars. I just think they look so much better than the bug eye cars. Again, caps are on the way. Seats look good. It's got good sound. You're gonna like it when you hear it run. Dual chrome mirrors. A-pillar chrome is really nice. A nasty little cam in it. Cars look good for those hideaways, man. Billet wheel, fuel gauge works. Looks like all the aftermarket gauges down there working, holding good oil pressure. Oh, we've ordered a the door's not closed, Nathan. We've ordered a cable for the parking brake. Sounds nasty. Didn't turn it on. So is it powering up?
Yeah, it's powered up.
I can't see it, so got aftermarket. What do you call it? If you know me, if you watch my videos, I'm not a radio guy. The hideaways work nice. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post